Hey, this is Fred Van Allen, First Team Real Estate Christie's at the Pomona Police Department. Open house. It's going on now, Saturday, until 1 o'clock. Got some demonstrations going on. Got the big truck here. I love the taxi. I mean, is this an awesome taxi or what? Check this out, people. Pomona Police Taxi. You choose your ride, the taxi or the cop car. Zero tolerance. How about that, people? Great open house here today. And by the way, just the architecture of this building, I believe it was William Beckwith, one of the most famous mid-century modern architects in the world. Did the Civic Center here, so that's a little side note. A little something here on the drones that are starting to be used by policemen. Probably a very cool thing over certain crime situations. Got our local EMT folks there. Here is the helicopter. I'm a Pomona Citizens Police Officer, and when I was in the class, one of the prizes they gave was to go for a ride in the helicopter, and I didn't get the prize. I really wanted to ride in that bad boy though. And this here is, if I ever start commuting to LA again, this is what I'm going to want to commute with. Just turn the bad boy lights on, light this bad boy up, turn the siren on, and let's get to work fast. Pretty snarly looking vehicle there, isn't it? Holy smoke. Like that a lot. I used to be in the Navy Reserves, and we used to drive around in vehicles that were like, holy cow. You know, Highland gas, not good gas mileage vehicles, that's for sure. But you know, I'm looking for the chief, to interview the chief. He's around here somewhere. This is going on till 1 o'clock today. City of Pomona Police Department at the corner of Park and Mission. And here is the little, the smaller vehicle, the SWAT vehicle here. Here's the chief right here. Now let me see if I can corral him. Okay, Chief, how about a little FaceTime here? Tell me what's going on here today.
Good morning. Well, this is an opportunity where we can open our doors to the public and give you an inside look at the department. Don't walk away, guys. Don't walk away.
Look at this, man. Just leave him. What?
See how they do?
Did the donuts just arrive?
Donuts? Yeah, they must be going to the donuts. No, just really an opportunity to open our doors and share with the community that we love so much.
Awesome.
You know, what some of the intricates and our details, and then go into dispatch and see the department and the jail.
You've got everything rolled out here, don't you? Holy mackerel. Have you done this before?
We do. We usually do it about every other year.
Okay.
And it's something we definitely look forward to. This is the first time we've done it on a Saturday in quite a long time.
I see, okay.
We thought we'd do it on a Saturday so we can allow parents to bring their kids.
Okay.
Weekdays are neat because the kids come from schools.
Oh, that's a beautiful thing.
That's good, but we thought we'd mix it up a little bit and do it on a Saturday.
Thanks for so much for doing this, Chief. This is a great way to get the public involved and see all the hard work that goes behind the scenes.
Thank you.
All right, take care.
Real smooth, guys. Real smooth.
I had this one FaceTime video. Chief,
they were interested in the canine demo. Yeah, that's what it was. That's what it was. And of course, I think there are donuts here, right? I mean, let's face it, kids, right? It's a police operation going on here. What's a police operation without a donut? I'm going to grab one right here while they're still here. Look at that. An official police operation now going down because there's donuts. Well, Danny, tell me what's going on here with you guys.
Hey, man, we're cooking up some hot dogs here for we're helping to support the Explorers group, and now we're looking for them because they're supposed to be working here. But
aha!
So yeah, what we net here goes to the explorers.
Oh,
so they can
terrific!
keep doing their program.
Terrific. Pomona Police have a great Explorer program.
Oh, absolutely.
Awesome, awesome. Well, if I see the Explorer kids wandering around, I'll tell them to get front and center
Get
behind the
over.
grill. Exactly.
All righty.
Take care.
See ya.
What's up, Fred? How you doing?
I'm doing fine when I got a donut in my hand.
I can tell.
You know what? You know what? This is cool. Folks are going inside of the police department itself. You're going to check out the jail, admin. Going to get a cute, cool little walkthrough, little field trip of what goes on behind the scenes here at the Pomona Police Department. Now I'm going to wander on back behind what's usually closed gates and see what's going on back there. Hey, Aaron. There's going to be a canine demonstration. Pomona Police Department stuff here. Next Coffee with the Cop is at Farmer Boys on Rio Rancho Road on May 30th, Wednesday, 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. Check out this vintage Pomona police car here. I did a movie in the park for the city of Pomona in Lincoln Park, and the Pomona Police Department were gracious enough to bring this vehicle over for my event. Of course, Pomona has an interagency task force they work with, so all the cities in the San Gabriel Valley, Pomona Valley work together to take down big-time crime. In fact, you see the El Monte logo down there. One of our policemen was part of an El Monte group stakeout or whatever you want to call it. One of our policemen was killed a couple years ago. So when all the other police departments work together to solve crime in the Pomona Valley, San Gabriel Valley area, obviously it's not without risks. Hey, Pat. One of the coolest things I did in Pomona was when I became a Pomona Citizens Police Officer, went through like I forget, 24 hours of training or something like that. It was really cool. Got to go through all the different departments like code enforcement, like the interagency thing we just went by, to the detective bureau. Got to see how this CSI machine here is utilized. And they showed a couple not live crime scenes, but actual crime scenes and how this machine was utilized.
Not yet. Last week, what's your name? Oh, Randy. Oh, okay. Because I know two calls. He was gone all week long.
We're going to have Hart speak at our next neighborhood watch meeting. These guys may not know that yet, but that's the scoop.
We'll be there, sir. We'll
Thank
be
you
there.
very much. Thank you so much for your hard work. We appreciate it.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Hart's going to be at our next neighborhood watch meeting in Lincoln Park. Hart is the Pomona new, I'm not sure what we call it, division that goes around to the homeless, the illegal encampments that are, of course, homeless live there, and a lot of criminal activity emanates from these spots, and a lot of litter, and just generally not good for anything in Pomona, these illegal campsites. We are putting together right now, the city is putting together a homeless shelter where we're trying to alleviate the issue of homelessness on the street. Of course, another big problem with homelessness in Pomona is these surrounding cities send their homeless to Pomona. It's illegal, it's not allowed to do, but for some reason other cities have turned it into an accepted practice, and of course that's no bueno. Homelessness is certainly a national, regional, state, county, city issue, and not something that should be laid at the feet of one municipality like Pomona. Pomona Police do have a compassionate outreach program, Hart. It's about taking care of business in a compassionate fashion, and hopefully soon we'll be able to get them into homeless shelters. So come on down till 1 o'clock today. This is going on here, folks. This is Fred Van Allen, First in Real Estate Christie's, and if you have any questions about real estate, please reach out to me, okay, at 909-261-9711.